Everyone love apple. Now let's see what apples look like when magnifying 100 times. Use a beautiful apple. Take a pale sample and see the effect through the microscope. Adjust the position. We can see that the color of the apple cell in red. Round and full, very amazing and clearly visible. Now we take a pulp for comparison. We can see that it full of water. Apples are rich in elements, phosphorus and iron. Eating an apple a day can enhance our immunity. What other atom do you want to see? Welcome to leave a message in the comment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more